As I mentioned in my third vlog, which is about your life path, now I'm gonna discuss with you my fourth vlog, which is connected to my third vlog. Your life path, if your life path is 8, you have more natural compatible with life path 2, 4, and 8. Now, why don't you try to make a triangle, then compared to what you have done with your boyfriend or husband. If your life path is 2, 4, and 8, and your life path is 8, you are a natural match, which only composed of 40%, because we need the physical, emotional, mental, intuitive, heart desire, maturity, and also karmic. And I'll explain to you more details in my next vlog. Thank you and have a nice day.